Hello, it's Davita. Welcome back to Abstract and Flow. So today, I'm going to do a pour for you, which involves a 12-inch round. I will be using some Artezas iridescent paints, and these are some of the Arteza paints I will be using. The consistency is a little on the thin side, not thick, not super thin. They were mixed with an ounce of polyacrylic. I'm still experimenting with different mediums. So there's no Floetrol in this particular pour. And, oh, I'm trying something new. Bear with me. I am trying to step up my editing process. Oh, God. Okay, so this is what happened. I did a voiceover. I'm going to stick it in this video. Fingers crossed that it, does well. You all let me know in the comments what you think. So, got my paints, got my round. Yeah. So let's get this pour started. Now I'm adding, this is Artist Loft Black in the center. Just trying to get an even coating. Please excuse the reflection of my ring light. That is not a part of the pour. All right, let's spin this. Get an even coating on this 12-inch round. All right, that's fiery red, followed by shady orange. These are all Arteza's colors. Dreamy lemon yellow. And this is their iridescent series of acrylic paints. Now I'm going in with the glowing peach. And the electric plum purple. And lastly is the playful pink. It looks white, but when it dries, it does give off a pink shimmer. So now I'm centering my layers. And I'm using a Prussian blue cell activator. Let's give it a little spin. Look at those cells pop up. Now I'm going to go in with my smaller palette knife and just add some more, try to add some more action in the center. All right, let's torch it. Now let's just give it a little bit of a spin to spread some of those colors to the edges. And center a little bit. Very nice. I think so. And voila. Beautamus. Alrighty now. That was exciting. Those iridescent colors with Arteza's paints really came through. Of course, my favorite was the electric plum purple. That really shined the most in this pour. So it's actually a couple of days later. Let's show you the dried results. There it is. Look at that. I like that dark area here when I use the Prussian blue cell activator. And the way it kind of sailed up on the edges. So I am going to resin this, and I'm sure those colors will really pop. All right. So that's it, people. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for all the love from Video 107, the collab I did with Amy, Creative Acrylics. Yeah, it really warms my heart. Thank you so much for tuning in. So stay blessed, stay safe, and we'll see you next pour. Bye.